Hi everyone, in this video we will show you tips to break into a base and steal a Brainrot. One of the best tips is to use two accounts. One acts as your vault where you store all valuable items, while the other is your writing accounts with nothing important on it. This way you can rob freely without worrying about losing your loot. It works on PC, phone or console. Just do it at your own risk since there's no official rule against it, but that could change anytime. Don't waste money on shop items like 2x lock, flying carpet, black hole slab, band hammer, or admin commands. The only decent ones worth considering are double money and VIP. Before rebirthing, move your items to your vault account. Once you're rebirthed, transfer them back. This simple trick helps you progress without losing anything. In private servers, let your ALT account sit idle and watch for rare item spawns. When something good shows up, switch to your main account and grab it. When the shop timer is about to reset, switch to private server to get early access to fresh legendary or mythic items. Don't forget to use traps. You can place up to 3 and enemies will get stuck for 10 seconds. This can buy you time or stop them from escaping. The B launcher is extremely powerful. Hitting someone flips their controls, making it nearly impossible for them to move. It's perfect for robbing someone when you're inside their base and the timer is almost up. Speed coil is also very useful. It lets you move faster and make escaping with stolen items a lot easier. Not many people use it, but they should. Rebirths unlock more base floors. Each rebirth gives you an extra slot, so you can expand your base upward and fit the same amount of loot as you would below. Once you reach a higher level, don't bother keeping legendary pets. Focus only on mythics, as they are far more valuable and effective. When joining a server, keep respawning until you appear close to the item spawner. This gives you a big advantage since you'll see drops first and can move them to your base quickly. Joining with friends gives you a bonus. You'll earn a friend boost, which helps with faster progress and loot collection. Unlock enemy bases when they're distracted can give you a quick chance to steal their items. It's cheap to do and often pays off. Keep an eye on Blood Moon events. This can automatically upgrade your pets, giving you a powerful edge in the game. Finally, if you see someone across the map with the good stuff, it's usually not worth trying to rob them if they're too far. Instead, keep rejoining until someone value spawn right next to you, giving you a much better shot at a successful raid. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.